Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can enable the followers only feature for chats during your streams on Kick. So let us guide you through this. So head over to kick.com and log into your account or through the Kick application on desktop or mobile, and you will need to access your streaming dashboard first and navigate down to the chat settings. So to do that, click into this profile icon in the top right and choose Creator Dashboard. So let me do that, and here guys, what you want to do, you will see the chat for the given stream here once you've gone online here. So if you'd like to allow only your followers only to send messages, you will need to navigate to the channel actions on the right hand side, enable followers chat and switch it on from off to instant 6 minutes, 1 hour, and so on and so forth, depending on how long you would like to keep that feature enabled. You may also go for custom time, select the seconds, minutes, confirm, and that's how it works, guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.